Because they know what the knowledge you can.
Boho.
Boho.
Medusa mink rugs on the plug with the juice, baby. Heating up the pool in the wintertime, blood, baby. Really big, ain't 20 carats, no food gazer. 10 court side, bet 100 on LeBron, baby. I've been doing.
Yo, what's happening, YouTube? This isn't my first video on here. Let me introduce myself for a little bit real quick. My name Ant, you feel me? I'm a college student. And really this channel, man, I got a lot of stuff planned for this channel. A lot of lit stuff, a lot of fun stuff, man, for real. Most of this stuff will be vlogged. I got some other stuff I'm gonna do. But really, I'm excited. I'm excited because I got a lot of fun stuff really planned for y'all. A lot of lit stuff, a lot of fun shit. Just make sure y'all stay with me. We're gonna be fun. We're gonna have a lot of funny moments, bro. Real talk. Really making this channel just so y'all can see my journey, how far I can make it. My main goal this year is to stay consistent. Stay consistent, just to see where I go. You feel me? And just take y'all with me on my journey. I need y'all to stay with me for real. Alright, I'm gonna catch up with y'all tomorrow real quick.
I watched that for the first time 2 days ago.
That's a good movie.
That shit's
We ain't gang in them room right now.
What? Carry on. That's what I was talking about. It was shit. You just passed it. I'm gonna be honest with you.
What are you talking about?
Slide.
This is it, not, bro. They said carry on was here. They said I went past it. It's not. Right there.
Right there, homie. Damn.
That's on me. That's on me.
Hey, look at this big, strong black nigga.
What up?
I was like, what?
Oh my god. Alright, let's go to war. Let's go with y'all. This time.
Oh man. Age limit to limit about this nigga's brother, bro.
What?
What do you do?
Niggas in jail for killing somebody.
Whoa.
That nigga, he got to get that Anderson, man.
Get your thick ass out here, nigga. It's time to
Bro, what the fuck?
It's time to eat,
bro.
Time to eat, homie.
You gotta chill, bro.
Open up, nigga.
Bradley ain't back yet.
Hell nah. And this nigga recorded.
Who is that?
Time to eat, homie.
It's time to eat.
I'm glad I knew this nigga was recording.
Damn, this nigga just woke up. Nigga sound like.
Tell me buddy that damn just woke up.
It's time to eat,
He
homie.
said, why this nigga record? Why this nigga record?
Nigga like most of the time.
I'll meet you. How long y'all gonna be at Wood?
Hey, brother, fix it. We
We bringing it back.
Yeah.
Hey, we finna bring it back.
Alright, I'll just come to your room.
Alright.
That nigga, he just woke up. He's like, I'll meet your boy tomorrow. It's cold in a bitch. We fucking walking, bro. It's like 12 degrees outside. Look at the motherfucker. Cold in the bitch. They got bonus in here.
It's only one left. Yeah,
They know they target audience.
Shit, y'all need to get about 5 of these for tonight. Cause we gotta take the cars back.
Taking what back?
Y'all niggas got
Like, I put that in the fridge one night.
Damn, bro. What if I'm actually handicapped? It's right.
I've seen you go 100 miles per hour to one of these motherfuckers.
God damn. I don't know.
This is for my safety.
You.
I'm gonna scream. What y'all mean y'all know the most?
Into the bike rack.
They putting that door in the bike racks. Damn, you uses that these for heat. They said
Bikes too.
y'all niggas be taking bikes.
I just one.
They just going. He said, I hope so. I hope so. But what you talking about? I ain't take no camera. I ain't take no bite.
Nigga, look at them fucking ham ass thighs, nigga.
What?
Wait, I thought the nigga just said he was gonna meet us at the dorm.
He all way over here, bro. We already got food. Tyrell. She over here being nosy. You saw her looking at me. The what? no what? Damn, nigga, we already got food.
Yeah, sandwich.
We already got food, son.
I know, nigga. I got Yeah, why they zooming? Got sandwiches. He got chicken.
They zooming.
That's that one bro with the yeast infection.
Yeah, yeast infection.
What the fuck? She got a yeast infection.
She flipped you off.
No, she was looking hard at back. She broke her neck looking at me. Oh, she was looking at me. Huh?
He was supposed to get in that, but she got a yeast infection. Whatnot.
Bro, what?
Listen, Cameron, listen. When a female getting out, let's brace, homie. She's trying to induce you into do some indulging and some seduction, homie. You know, because they know with the knowledge you can.
Boho.
Boho.
Boho braid.
It's a different type of.
It's a different timing.
I'm already
Can you
know.
explain? Can you explain on the camera? Real quick?
Explain on the camera, please. Explain.
I ain't never experienced no boho.
But you done seen some boho though. You didn't.
Hold it down.
Hold it down.
Wait, brothers, come on.
Bro. He said hold it down.
My bad. I'm just looking. Hey, the camera.
Cut this nigga light.
Nah, for real. That's lacking. Catch me lacking every time.
TV Jakes.
Chill.
I don't even go here. Got 2 cases to choose from. I'm good, how are you? That's good. That was a crazy interaction. Hey Adam, you gonna share something else in your case with me? This nigga whole pin just...
Zip the downs, I'm kidding.
White chocolate.
Shout it.
Why we got the camera out?
Oh, I guess I'm twin.
White chocolate. That's crazy. Why are you calling it white chocolate?
You might win a piece.
What? Hold that down.
I can get here.
I just realized that's my phone. We supposed to be getting haircuts, right? Me and this nigga, right? You know who supposed to be cutting our hair? This nigga right here.
Listen, we gonna get to that. No, we need to find.
I was supposed to get a haircut yesterday at 2 o'clock. It's a whole nother day,
We gonna
cuz.
go on slippery slopes.
I'm saying, what was talking about haircuts? We didn't find out if we gonna survive today. Niggas might not make it to tomorrow.
Bro, oh, don't say that.
Alright, nigga, let's get around.
I need to have a haircut. I gotta look fresh if we do that. They're like, damn, at least he crispy though.
Nah, you got a good point. That nigga car in half, but at least he crispy.
At least he crispy though.
Adam, you gonna be fucked up.
Nigga, fuck you.
What the fuck? You straight?
He pulling an injury, nigga. He ain't trying to cut the hair.
Nah, this nigga fake
He
injury. He
got a-
don't want to cut hair that bad, bro. He not trying to make no pay.
I can't cut no hair. Hey, that barber wrong as fuck. Oh. I'm supposed to be cutting fat at one point.
Damn. Anthony's a vlogger, nigga.
Motherfucking furry thing on top and everything.
What a little
Keep that.
Hey, bro, whatever you like. Yeah, you.
Oh my god.
Shit, this nigga sound sexy.
sound.
Huh? My bad. I'm sorry, y'all. If he just did that, let me wipe y'all. There y'all go.
Yeah.
I thought it was like Courtney, he needs to bring his ass. He's brainstorming. Hey,
Nigga, we gotta go.
It's okay. I'm gonna just stay.
Nigga, nah.
I'm unpacking my room.
Nigga,
come on, bro.
real, no, like actually.
We only had 2 teams of 3.
We have Team Bravo, Team Out. Nigga, we gotta go. Who gonna take
We got Alpha and
He's
Omega.
taking you, bro. It's us 3 and them 3.
And I'm getting gas.
I'm getting gas, bro. We finna go get this futon, bro. Back in Indy, but it's a whole snowstorm, bro. They want this futon that bad, bro. They wanna risk our lives for this futon.
What are we doing?
Don't look on the nigga just drive. Just whip that motherfucker.
Bro, they going to Walmart. We going to the snowstorm.
Those the what you supposed to be cutting me? These the clippers? These the clippers I'm supposed to be cutting you with.
Wait. We ain't all gonna fit in this car now.
Nah.
Y'all better laugh up. Look, oh, that nigga in the front seat already.
This nigga picked the front.
Oh, real quick. Y'all niggas playing.
Let's sit in the middle.
Hey. Make sure y'all be safe when y'all step on.
Get come out real quick.
Damn.
Hey, why he always in the back?
We don't even have classes today.
Crush, hell yeah.
Cause I got my essentials.
The hoes coming, close the door. The hoes coming, Gordy.
The hoes. Hold on, Cole. I got you. Oh my God. Hey, shut the door. That bitch ain't shut. Don't shut the door, nigga. Nigga, that's you. That's your door, nigga.
Hold on that corner. Whoa.
Wait, put the window down. Is that some hoes? Stand in the bed like Nathan. Man, this is what they talking Nigga, my Yeezy slide finna go out the window. Man, oh shit. It's already better than last semester, nigga. Get your hand on my ass. What?
No, that shit.
He just put his hand down, cut straight ass. Oh, what the fuck?
Alright,
Now, how do we get out?
How we supposed to
Damn, motherfucker restraint.
What?
God damn.
Oh, nigga, you ain't had to put your palms down. Stu East was right there.
Alright, bro.
We was right by Stu East.
God. Hey. We finally made it, my baby.
Natasha, my baby. My Shayla.
Oh yeah. In my Trakiana. Hold on, bro. There you go.
Why are you in the backseat too? Fucking, I don't care.
All right, both in the backseat. Yep. It's a cover back there for y'all.
Yeah, ain't your Uber? Ain't your Uber?
Hold on.
That's a lot of buttons, nigga. I just
All right, now we can.
It's a whole fucking storm. Bro.
We drove 40 minutes. Just
40 minutes.
Time, bro.
The nigga.
need that.
It's another group of people that's supposed to be driving the Indy too, bro. Them niggas, they stayed in Muncie.
They didn't even come. They didn't even come with us, bro.
It's gonna be freezing. Let's go get it, go.
All for a futon, cuz.
I can't wait to see this motherfucker. Is it black? It's a black futon?
It's great.
Great. That's
Great.
Everything I was more excited for LeBron's birthday than Christmas.
Bro.
Serious?
I sent this one girl like 8 LeBron TikToks.
Oh, he coming back. You see now? Bro, look.
Damn.
And it's worse on the highway, bro. We almost got ran off by a semi-truck.
Bro, my dude should let us stay tonight.
We on our way back down, bro. Pray for us. Pray for us.
Be safe, homie.
Alright.
Should be a scary car ride back.
Nigga, for you?
But for me, nigga, you should have put one leg right here, and sat on this.
This nigga.
It's cool.
We gotta take off for the team. Look, it is what it is. Alright, yo. These niggas struggling to move the fucking futon, bro.
Where'd you get it?
You know,
Nah, that's okay.
I probably put it up.
really look big.
It can fit.
Nigga, no,
Nigga, we're literally
that
looking
shit's
at it.
not gonna fit. Oh, wait, keep on that.
Bro. You getting better, fit. I know 3 hours for this shit.
Hey, even like, I don't know why. Wait, you going in?
3 hours. Crazy
Look at
fast.
That's so fit.
Hey,
Daddy corner.
I only put the
Let me evacuate, man.
Bro.
Alright, we're right here. Where the legs at?
don't get copyrighted, nigga.
Damn.
Where the TV at? Where's the
I didn't realize.
What did we do with the TV?
I don't got that much motion to get copyrighted though.
Nigga, where's the TV?
I don't got no motion right now to get copyrighted.
Nigga, where's the TV?
It's on the bed.
The other bet, Courtney bet.
Hey, we missing some legs,
Yeah.
We should have been like, put this on so
You feel me?
Nah, there's 6.
Six.
There's 6 legs.
I know.
I'm tired.
Bro, we don't need 4.
Dirk outside.
What? How much we need? 3, my nigga? Right here. What do you mean? Nigga, we need all 6.
Where's the 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Where's the 6?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6.
I didn't see your black ass, nigga.
Those are the ones that
Ethan just dancing this shit good.
Turn this shit up.
Nigga, come on, bro.
I got he's on screwing. The ones with these, only the middle one's screwing.
That's why you don't hire black niggas to do shit, bro.
Yeah, homie.
Depends on
Damn.
what it is. That shit can't be
Hey, listen
completed.
here, little motherfucker.
Niggas struggling to put food on.
Hey, as y'all sitting and eating.
Wait,
I did the hard part. I drove in a fucking snowstorm for this shit.
No, don't say y'all.
Yeah, Tyrell need to put this motherfucker today.
Yeah.
Going in.
Hey, that cut looks
Hey, cuz, I need you to turn your body.
I need my cut next.
Girl, look at that. Girl, still talking about this haircut.
Nah, I don't want to get under like that.
If I have it in bone, I'm playing right now. Then he going insane right now.
Hey, put another screw in.
You won't put the TV in.
Right here.
Excuse me.
The Anthony Horn, bro.
Yes, sir. I'm really tired, bro. Like, for
My
real.
nigga do look drained.
For real. My eyes is
There's
low.
only 2 on this bottom one,
I'm
right?
hungry. I'm finna go to McDonald's. Give me a number 7 large lemonade. Add an extra cheeseburger because I'll still be hungry.
Man, Slime got great understanding and I'm forever with him. Me and no one person got problems, just fuck whoever with him. I don't rap by blue and little all of them, that shit sentimental. We be moving around like the army and I'm the head lieutenant. He ain't even about how you said it, bro, I just hope you did it. I don't care, I done did a lot of shit, just say I did it. I don't talk, I been hit the baddest shit, never say I hit it. And I'm in the city, them niggas wanna get with me, yeah. Man, Slime got great understanding and I'm forever with him. Me and no one person got problems, just fuck whoever with him. I don't rap by blue and little all of them, that shit sentimental. We be moving around like the army and I'm the head lieutenant. You ain't even about how you said it, bro.
That's cool.
Bro, what? That's crazy. Finally getting the cut. Hell yeah. Been waiting all weekend.
All weekend.
All weekend.
All weekend.
Man, Slime got great understanding and I'm forever with him. Me and no one person got problems, just fuck whoever with him. I don't rap by blue and little all of them, that shit sentimental. We be moving around like the army and I'm the head lieutenant. He ain't even about how you said it, bro, I just hope you meant it. I don't care, I done did a lot of shit just to say I did it. I don't talk, I been hit the baddest shit, never say I hit it. And I'm in the city, niggas wanna get with me. Man, Slime got great understanding and I'm forever with him.
Finally got it cut. Ooh. What you say? Don't get mad when I say your bitch, nigga.
Can't even slide on no more.
Alright, you right. But still, ooh. We're looking clean. Ooh. Miss y'all. Ethan, my barber. Is that right? Where they find you at, Ethan?
You know what,
They find me at Ethan Dunker's here. And they also find me at GBWE.
You think what's wrong, Netflix? My Netflix said this isn't a household.
I'm about to say, there's hooting on me. You
I know
know,
it's stopping me.
Alright then, y'all. Finally got what I wanted. Got some McDonald's. Finally got my hair cut with my boy Ethan. You feel me? I'm gonna catch this the end of the vlog. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one.
Fuck whoever with him. I don't rap by blue and little all of them, that shit sentimental. We be moving around like the army and I'm the head lieutenant. He ain't even about how you said it, bro, I just hope you meant it. I don't care, I done did a lot of shit just to say I did it.